Hi guys. Let's start with BuySellAds. What is BuySellAds.com? To link your blog to BuySellAds services, you must register for free on the BuySellAds.com website. BuySellAds.com will provide you with the HTML code you need to insert into your blog template so that ads appear on your blog. When your blog is linked to BuySellAds.com, it appears in the publisher's directory. Advertisers buy space on your blog directly through the BuySellAds.com website. When your account reaches $50, you can withdraw your winnings. Selling advertising space on your blog has many benefits. You can set up your account to have all ads automatically approved, or you can set it up for you to manually approve ads. This will allow you to control the types of ads that appear on your blog. You can offer multiple ad sizes, placements, prices and more to maximize your revenue potential. It's essential to take the time to do 3 things well when you set up your blog's list on BuySellAds.com. Use of specific keywords to maximize search results. Make a better description of your blog in the publisher directory that draws attention to the unique niche audience. Give a competitive price to your advertising space. Visit BuySellAds.com. That's all for today. See you in another video.